What if a broken toy wasn't the end of the story, but the start of something even better? Instead of tossing it or rushing to replace it, try building a broken toy repair station at home. This simple screen-free project does far more than fix toys. It builds resilience, problem solving, and a mindset that says, I can figure this out. Start with a small box or shelf labeled repair station. Stock it with kid-safe tools, child-sized screwdrivers, glue sticks, tape, spare buttons, yarn, fabric scraps, and even old batteries for safe disassembly exploration. Let your child help design it. Maybe add a sign that says Toy Hospital or Fix It Lab. The moment it becomes asterisk, there's asterisk. They'll feel ownership and pride. Now, when a toy's arm falls off or a music box stops playing, don't jump in to fix it. Instead, say, looks like Teddy needs your help. What do you think he needs? Guide them to observe. Is it loose, torn, missing a part? This builds diagnostic thinking, the same skill engineers and doctors use. Next, let them try. Maybe they tape the arm back on crooked. Maybe the glue takes 2 days to dry. Maybe the toy never works the same, but now it has a story. That's the point. In a world where everything is disposable and AI gives instant solutions, this teaches something radical. Not everything needs to be perfect, and not every problem has a quick fix. But effort, care, and trying again, those are priceless. You'll be amazed at what they invent. A one-wheeled car becomes a rocket sled. A silent robot gets a new voice via your child's narration. Broken doesn't mean useless, it means ready for reinvention. This station also gently introduces systems thinking. Why did this break? Leads to questions like, was it dropped too hard? Is the plastic thin here? They begin to see cause and effect, durability, design, and even sustainability. Do we really need a new one? Or can we make this one work? For older kids, add a repair log, a notebook where they sketch the problem, list tools used, and rate their fix. This builds reflection and documentation skills key in science and coding. Most importantly, every repair builds emotional resilience. When a child says, I fixed it myself, they're not just talking about a toy, they're internalizing. I can handle hard things. That confidence spills into school, friendships, and beyond. And when a fix truly fails, that's a lesson too. Some things can't be repaired on. That's okay. But we tried, we learned, and we honored what this toy meant to us. That's emotional intelligence in action. This isn't just a craft corner. It's a training ground for future innovators, empathetic problem solvers, and humans who don't give up when things get tough. Welcome to Genius Parenting, where we believe the most powerful tech education often starts with a screwdriver, a broken doll, and the quiet courage to try again. If this idea sparked a memory of your own childhood fix-it moments or planted a seed for your family's new ritual, please give this video a like. It helps other parents discover screen-free ways to build grit and creativity. Share it with someone who believes childhood should be hands-on, hopeful, and full of second chances. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a genius parenting tip on raising curious, capable, and deeply resilient kids in the age of AI.